Hi everyone, and welcome back to Blogan Good Food. Today we are working with a tropical fruit, the pineapple. You might see pre-cut pineapple at the store, but have you thought about cutting a whole pineapple yourself? It's easier than you think, and more fun too. Here's how to cut a pineapple step by step. First, get your pineapple and a sharp knife. We want clean cuts for the best juicy pieces. Step 1, top and bottom, lay the pineapple on its side. With your sharp knife, cut off the green top and the bottom. Don't worry about being perfect, just cut enough to make a flat surface. Step 2, cut down the middle, stand your pineapple upright like a bowling pin. Now, using your knife, slice it straight down the center, making 2 equal halves. Step 3, remove the core. Pineapples have a hard core in the middle, it's not good to eat. But don't worry, it's easy to take out. See how the pineapple flesh goes one way, and the core fibers go another way? Here's what to do: take your knife and line it up with the edge of the core. With a smooth, downward and inward cut, remove the core from each half. Step 4, slice and dice, turning our halves into delicious pineapple pieces. Take each half and cut it in half again, making quarters. Step 5, make bite-sized pieces. Let's get those juicy chunks. Grab 1/4 and lay it flat. Slice it down the middle, stopping at the skin. Now, turn the quarter and make half-inch slices all the way down. Step 6, free the pieces. Finally, with the edge of your knife, gently run it between the flesh of the pineapple and the skin. This loosens up all those yummy pieces. Ready to enjoy. You've cut a pineapple and now have a bowl of delicious, bite-sized pieces. Enjoy them as they are, add them to a fruit salad, or get creative. For more simple and healthy recipes with fresh pineapple, visit our website, blogangoodfood.com. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen fun.